Good morning, everyone. Just finished my shower and I'm having a little bit of breakfast. I'm having Weet-Bix, strawberries and banana.
Torches are 41. Down the middle, to the right hand side, no, you're 40.
We came to get a torch for Chris because she's going to Samoa tonight. Yeah, leave me the big suitcase. Isn't that a jackpot? It was probably a fuck out from ages ago. Thank you, Lord. God has favored me. God has favored me. So I just got home from dropping Chris off. And it's really upsetting. I miss her. What is wrong with this lady? So we came to the shops to get something to make dinner because it's Tuesday and we're supposed to be going to the club, but tonight no one was going tonight to the dinner. I think we should kind of make it a fortnightly thing instead of a weekly thing because we usually go for family dinners every Tuesday with the fams, but weekly, I don't know, it feels a bit too much, so it should be fortnightly. Anyway, so there I am having my nana nap after I dropped my sister to the airport, and my mum comes in my room, keeps calling my name, trying to wake me up. So annoyed. Yes, please. Oh, I don't like that one. Can't you get the custard one?
No, I like this one.
Oh, do you? Mom, there's only 4 in here. Gosh. Well, I wonder who's missing out. Not me. Don't you ever wake me up like that again, alright? Don't you ever disturb my peace, alright? Alright, so? Alright? Fakuri ingat dua kala lo mia. Ele o se ko konginga o fanga lo ka vale malok malos. O lo ko kongi. Ele mas se furunga ilunga. So she just gets in and leaves me. We get home from the shops to this. What's wrong, Papa? What's wrong? Ah. So we just got home from the store and I think I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to go help my mum cook dinner. So that's pretty much my day. Thanks for coming. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. What is it? Liquid nitrogen ice cream. So we've got a bit of milk in a cup. I added some choc chip.